morning, everyone. Welcome to Core Dava session. Okay, we are into OOPS concept, and what we have seen yesterday is we have seen overloading. We have seen overloading with various examples. Okay, these are the examples we have seen, right? These are the example overloading example we have seen yesterday, right? Basic simple overloading program. Then we have seen this example for overloading, right? And also we have seen this example over. It is by mistake I added the name class name overriding, but it is example of overloading only. How we can take this use of overloading by passing object reference. Okay, this was what our last example. So wherever in this example, where if you are watching previous recording, just take care. This is overloading example by taking object reference here of Airtel object reference. This is variable I am passing in this this is a class name. It should be overloading. Okay, by mistake I have given overriding name. So it is overloading example only. Okay. Now come to our topic. What is overriding? Overriding is nothing but whatever the parent class has by default, child is having through inheritance. To achieve overloading, what is required? First, inheritance is required. So the parent properties. When I am saying parent property, it's not land, it's not gold, guys. It's about methods, right? Methods and functionality in parent class. The parent property by default, available to child through using 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 inheritance. ठीक है? Inheritance is the relation. ठीक है? If the child is not satisfied, if child is not satisfied, if child is not satisfied, this is real life situations only. If child is not satisfied with parent, right? They will give gyan to parents, right? Hey, mama, you are not doing correctly, right? Like this. So if the child is not satisfying with parent class method, right? Parent class method. Okay, then implementation, implementation, implementation. Then what will happen? Parent class method implementation. I am talking about. This is one sentence only. Okay. Parent with parent class method implementation, comma. Then child is allowed to redefine the parent class logic. Child is allowed. Child is allowed to redefine, redefine, redefine parent class property, parent class functionality in parent class logic in their own way. Okay? Not a big definition, very simple definition. Everyone knows, right? Nowadays, child is not following parents. They want their own lifestyle, right? So this is very much applicable to day-to-day life. Whatever I think, whatever the Java people have developed now, they have take every condition from our life only, right? Based on that is what OOPS, object-oriented program. We are objects now. You are also object. I am also object. Everyone is object. Employee is object, right? Amit is object. Shahrukh is object. They know what is the rules and regulation in life. Based on that, I think they have used the same situation. Okay. Now we will use some concept program to understand what is overriding. Okay. Now this is our package. How to create the class? New class. New class. What is the? Can I give some name? Let me give overriding parents. Overriding parent. I am giving this name overriding parent. Okay, I am giving one method inside this, not main method. Okay, okay. Let me close other. How to? There are so many classes open now. What is the shortcut? So many over. These are all example open. How to close this? Control Shift W. See, every class is closed. which class I have to work? Overriding parents. Overriding parents. Now, now focus, guys. Overriding parents. Okay. So I can create one method, right? I can create one method. I can give some public public void method one, right? This is the method one, right? Can I give some system dot out dot println system dot out dot println? What is the spelling mistake? System is the spelling mistake. Okay. Can I give some meaningful name? What is, we can say method one. Method one, method one from parents. Method one from parents. Okay. This is one example. This is one method. Okay. Can I copy this and paste here? Okay. Can I give method two? Method two. Okay. In method two, what is the logic? Okay. They are asking student, their kid to become doctor. Okay. They are giving some another functionality, asking their kid will become doctor. Kid will become doctor. Okay. This is the method two. According to parent, their kid should become doctor. Kid should become doctor. Okay. Now this is one example. Now this is the parent. Now can I create one overriding child? Copy this. Can I create one class? Okay. Come here, class. Paste here. Instead of parent, I will use child class. Okay. Now can I use main method because I required one main method na? Or I will use another class for creating main method, test class. Okay. No problem. I am using one child class. Now, how to extend? What is my rule for overriding? They should be achieving by using inheritance. How we can achieve inheritance in terms of class? Using extends. One class inherited other class using the keyword extend. What is the name of the class? Same name is there, only instead of child, the parent I have kept, right? Paste here and just change this name. Now, this is perfectly fine example of what? Inheritance. This is the parent class, this is the child class, guys. Okay, now come here. So, but now method 2 is there now. Can I copy this method from parent class? Method 2, let me copy this method. Okay, now come here, paste here. But we are overriding this method. But kid wants to become kid want to become actor. Kid want to become actor, right? Actor. Okay. This is the thinking of child, right? Now, this is the we have override the same method. What is parent expecting? Kid should become doctor. What is asked? Kid expecting? No. Kid want to become actor. Okay. Doctor to actor, right? Now, create one test class. Create one test class. Okay, I am creating one overriding test class. Overriding, overriding test class. Okay, I am overriding test class. I require one main method now. I can create one main method. Okay, now. So we have now how many classes we are having? Three classes. You can see overriding parent, overriding child, and test class. We are testing our functionality in another class. So now let's say parent, not parent. What is the class name? Overriding, overriding parent, overriding parent. Okay. Let me copy this name. Copy here. Copy here. Come here. Paste here. This is parent. Parent equal to new parent. Okay. Now, what is the condition of variable? First letter should be small. Okay. Similarly, I can create overriding child object. Copy this class name. Come to test class. Child equal to new child. Perfectly fine, right? What is the variable naming convention? Small letter first word. Okay. How to format? Select all. Control Shift F. Formatting done. Now, Now, I am using parent reference. I am using parent reference. Okay. I am using parent reference. Okay. How many methods are coming? See, guys, other methods are coming. Equal, get, hash code, notify to string, wait. These all are coming from object class. These methods are coming from object class that we are going to see. This is interview question. How many methods by default coming to our any class by default? Even we are not using that. So that is coming under java.lang package. We are going to see what is this wait. What is this toString notify all? What is hash get class equals? We are going to see that. But now our topic is what? Overriding. You are able to see method one and method two. Okay. Can I call method one? Can I call method one? Perfectly fine. Method one. Can I run this class? Can I run this class? Let me run this class. Run as Java application. Method one from parents one. Method one from parent. Perfectly fine. Because there is no such method in child. Okay. Till this they are good. Now, can I copy this same? Instead of method one, can I use method two? What is method two? Method two. Method two is there, right? Now, run as Java application. What is the output coming? Kid should become doctor. When parent reference we are using, parent expecting their child to become doctor, right? Now, child C equal to new child. Can I use this reference? Can I use this reference? No. See, in child, how many methods are there? Only one method is there. In child class, only one method is there. But how many suggestions is coming? Two, because this is overriding. See, it is showing overriding parent, method one, overriding parent, right? Overriding child. It is showing, right? Can I use this method? Perfectly fine. Let me comment this line and run this program. First method, what is first method? Methods one from parent. It is coming from parent. Okay. Can I change this to method two? Can I run this program? Kid want to become actor. Kid override his thought process. No parent, I don't want to become a doctor, I want to become actor. So this is overriding, na? Right? Method two. He has changed the logic. He has changed the advice of his parent. This is the advice from parent, but he is taking his own advice, right? To become an actor. So this is the concept between override. What is the concept? Like whenever parent, all the method by default is available to child, but child can change the logic. That is what overriding is. Alright. Now the parent class method. Parent class, these are parent class methods, na? So these are called overridden method. This is called overridden method. These methods are nothing but overridden methods because they are going to use in child class. Over spelling mistake. Over double R. Double R. This should be double D, not I. Overridden methods. Okay? Copy this. Save this. Come here. The child class method is called overriding method. This is called overriding. Overriding. Okay? This is called overriding. Okay? Now, now, so in overloading, we have observed the decisions taken care by compiler. Okay, at compile time. But in overriding, the method decisions is always taken care by JVM on runtime. Okay, so that's why we are calling this overriding as runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. Okay, because what is happening, it is taking care at runtime. Okay, which method should be coming? This is calling. but compiler is not taking any decision on this. It is taken care by runtime only. So that's why this is called runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. Okay. Now, what are the rules we have to follow in overriding method? In overriding methods, names and argument must be same. What is the method? This is the same signature, right? Okay. Here, what is the method name? Method 2, right? If I will pass something like this, I will play. What will happen? What will happen? Let's see. Kid should become doctor. Kid should become doctor because this is not overriding happening, na? Right? It is calling with it is child reference. Okay. But what we have given, we have changed the syntax. Is this matching? What is it expecting? Parameter, na? But these two method 2 is having parameter, different syntax, and this method 2 is having no parameter. What we are calling, guys? We are calling a method with this syntax, na? If I will pass some 2, then child method will be called, right? Kids won't become actor, right? So what is the rule? The syntax should be same. Syntax should be same. Okay, now. Okay. Next is what is our child class? This is our child class, right? So what is the output here? What is the output? Void. But in here in child class method return type, it's not mandatory. It should be same as return type of parent. Can I keep this as string? Let me keep this as string. So it is asking some return type, na? Let me let me keep public void return something like this. Okay. Now try to observe. What is showing? What is the error here? The return type is incompatible with overriding parent. Okay. Now try to observe. So it is not allowed case, guys. Just give me a minute. 1 minute, guys. I'm getting one call. Yeah. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. See, in parents, what is the method? It is nothing but void. Okay. In child, what is we are giving? We are giving some string. Okay. Now try to observe. Can I change from higher? Can I keep this object? What is giving? Add return statement. Perfectly fine. Okay. Now try to observe, guys. In these two example, let me keep next to each other. Now try to observe here. Left side we have parent, right side we have child, right? Next to each other. Okay. Guys, when I am not using anything void here, and when I am using this line comment, error is coming here, right? It is asking return type is incompatible with overriding parent method 2. When I am using object and giving some return statement, because whenever we are returning, we should give some return statement. For now, we are giving null. Error gone, right? So what is the relation here? What is the relation? String and object. So thing is that child type return type is smaller than parent. You know, right? String is a class. By default, who is the boss? Object. So in parent, if you are having this condition, right? Is this condition means parent having higher means for example, string is return type is string and parent method return type is object. Who is greater in object is the parent of child, right? Then it is fine. Can I replace this? Can I replace this? Can I keep here object and can I keep here string? Let's see. Try to observe. Can I take object till this fine? Can I take string? Error. Okay, because this is lower. Child, always we have to take like higher data type. For example, child, whatever the we are using, object is we are using return type as object. But here in this method, what is the return type? String. String is a child of object na. So we have to use always in hierarchy system, who is the on top priority on top that we have to use. So in child class, who is a higher object or string? Object. So we have to we can use lower hierarchy and we can use same hierarchy till that no problem. But if we are using this like this, perfectly fine. So this is the example, guys. Okay, now let me save this. Okay, now. So this is what we have to see. And this was like this, if you use lower version of Java below 1.5, then this is not available actually. This feature is coming from which version? 1.5 version, 1.5 version onwards. Okay, now apart from that, can I use private method also? Can I use private method? Now this is parent class. Now this is parent class. Can I use private? Okay, this is the parent class. I am using private method. Okay, can I run this? Can I run this program? Here is my program. Kids want to become actor. Okay, even though we are using private method, but this is not visible in child class. Okay, so this is not overriding, guys. Okay, this is not called overriding because in parent class, what we are using? We are using private. Okay, we are using private keyword. So because of these private methods, these are not visible in child class. Okay, now try to observe. So this is calling its own method only. Okay, now. See, when I'm using parent reference to call this method, this is not visible now. Method 2 is not visible. What is giving error? Change visibility of method 2. Because in parent class, method 2 is there, but that is private method. What is the access area of private? In that class itself, not outside that class. That's why method 2 is not visible. That's the reason if I'm uncommented, if I will comment this, fine. So in this, whatever child reference I am using, which method it is calling its own method. That's why what is the output coming? The output coming is what? Kid want to become actor. This is coming from where? Child class. Okay. Now, apart from that, where is our parent? This is our parent. This is our method. Okay. Can I use final method? Can I use any final method? Can I use here final method? Public final void. Let me try that. This is final method. Okay. So we cannot override this final method also. Okay, now try to see this. This is final method. Okay, where is our child? Okay, can I this is a child. Let me copy this method, and can I use this method here? Can I remove this final keyword here? It is giving error. What is the error? Remove final keyword, final modifier from parents. Both classes in front of you, left and right screen. I have divided in two screens so that you can able to read. You can able to focus. In child, left side is child and right side is parent. When I'm using final method in where? In parent class. So final class method we cannot override in the child class. Hope you are good. Apart from that, private keyword also I have used. Okay, so these are restricting what? Overriding. These are restricting what? Overriding. Till now, 1 minute, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, fine. So what we have seen, guys? If we are using final, we are not able final method in parent, we cannot able to override in child. Apart from that, let me remove this. I am removing this. Let me do control save. Okay, fine. Error gone, right? Error gone. Whenever we are using private keyword, we are not able to use this. Okay. What is our definition then? So we we cannot we cannot use private private methods to override in child class. The next is we cannot we cannot override final methods in child class. Okay. These are the rules we have to follow, guys. Okay. Now the next is we can override parent class abstract method. We can override parents class abstract method in child class. Okay, we will see that. Okay, we can, okay, come here. Come here to code. I am having, I won't disturb this. Let me save this and create one more class. Okay, otherwise all example in same program. Now create one class. Create one class. What is the class? I can create abstract class. Okay, I will use modifier. I am using selecting abstract. Now what I am giving overriding overriding parents overriding parent one. I am using abstract keyword. Okay. Now can I finish this? So public abstract. Okay. Class is there created. Now can I create one main method? Public 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 abstract void. Let me create public void method one, or better I can use abstract body public abstract 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 myth abstract abstract. Okay, this is method one. Okay, can I create one child one similar to this class? new class, new class. Instead parent, I will use child. I will use child. Okay. Can I create one method like this inside this child? How we can override? Sorry, how we can extend inheritance? Extends. Extend. What is the class name? Paste here. Parent name. Right. Now, what is showing, guys? What is showing? Add unimplemented methods. Okay. I can use unimplemented method. Okay. So this we can achieve, right? This we can achieve. This method we are able to in abstract class, whatever the parent abstract class, whatever the method we are giving, this is called overriding only. This is also called one of the over. We are not defining anything inside parent class, but definition we are giving in child class. This is also one example of what? Let me give system dot out dot print ln from child from child, right? We require method main method. We require one main method. Method one is what? Instance class. How to call this instance class? Using reference, because main method is static. Okay. Now first letters is should be small. Okay. Copy this variable. Copy this variable. Call this method one. From child is coming. Till now you are good, right? No. Similarly, we have one what abstract class. Who is the parent is the abstract class. Okay. Now can we reverse this? Can we reverse this situation? Can I make this child as abstract and parent as non-abstract? Means I can remove this, right? So let's see. Can I remove this abstract here? Okay, fine. Abstract, fine. Can I give body here? Can I go give body here? I have to remove this also. Not valid. Without abstract class, we cannot write abstract method. Now it is fine, right? Come here in child class. Okay. Can I come here and create one abstract method for, I'm commenting this part. This is belonging to previous example. Save this. Now, can I use abstract class? Abstract class, child abstract class. Okay, child abstract class extending parent. Can I use this method? What is the method name? Public void method one. Can I copy? This is the same method, right? No. Paste here. What is showing? Okay. Can I add use abstract? Abstract also. What is giving? Try to observe. Public abstract void method one. Okay. So we can override a non-abstract method as the abstract. Okay. Now this is also valid case, right? This is also valid case. Means when 1 minute, guys. Save this now. Otherwise it was giving error. So even in fact, we can override a non-abstract method as an abstract. Okay. This is a non-abstract method, but in child, we are using overriding. This is overriding example only. We are able to use this from parent only, right? Okay. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Guys, I will take till this topic only today. We will continue. I have one call actually. Okay. So I'm stopping the recording, stopping the screen share. Okay. Tomorrow, tomorrow